Hi, good. So I speak on the behalf of Women to Women Forum. How are you all? I'll be speaking on the issue of domestic violence, as I myself was victimized in the year 2013. Nowadays, I work as a tarot card reader, and I'm professionally doing that happily. And it was my hobby since 13-14 years. Now I'm doing it successfully. I'm a successful numerologist. I'm also into tarot card reading, Reiki healing, and also into Akashnic healing, Pranic healing, Vastu, numerology, Loshu grid, all of these. So let me explain you about my journey. My journey was all about in October 2013. I got married in an arranged marriage from these .com portals, and it was a disastrous marriage. And for 6 months, I was mentally molested, physically violated, and beaten up. But luckily, I was rescued on an early thing, as my ex was not mentally okay. And after that, the cases lasted for 4 years. So I can give you an insight how you can get help. First of all is reported to the women helpline. They are of much help. For a domestic violence 498 AK case, and number two, 121 is for women rights. You can file that too. And it takes you through a long journey, but the justice is always given. As they say, Satyamev Jayatev, truth always prevails. So always rely that truth will always prevail. Finally, I was given justice, and after that, successfully, being an MBA, started with my teaching, because I could not get into back into form of my corporate job. There, people really liked my readings as a hobby. I did it for them, the teacher and the staff. I was working as an IELTS trainer and a personality development trainer and a soft skills trainer. Then finally, I'm here right now speaking to you all heart to heart that all women out there, number one, become bold, strong, and spiritually strong. So, spiritual strength comes from praying. So, one can indulge in any spiritual practice, some meditation, art of living that helps a lot to cleanse the energy and move forward. You can follow Buddhism, you can do Hinduism, you can do Jainism, you can do anything. But just have that thing and don't think that you are ever alone in life. God is always there to guide you through, and the positivity that no matter what happens, I shall have hope to win shall always prevail. So always trust in the inner gut feel and always believe in yourself. No matter what, advance and move forward. Never look backwards. And a lot of rainbow and a beautiful journey, a fountain of prosperity and water and beautiful life awaits you. So, lots of good luck to anyone who's struggling, and lot of women's strength. And I hope and pray that all of you will win, no matter what. So I wish you all the very best in your journey, and I wish that nothing of this sort happens to anyone. Lots of love and light, lots of good luck, good fortune avail. Thank you so much. Bye bye.